Imagine your voice as a symphony orchestra of frequency and vibration, mirroring your body's energetic state. Audible dissonances are captured by the portal and transformed into visible points. BioBundles gather these anomalies into a singular tool by merging range, polarity, and harmonic attributes of the vocal file. This presentation offers an overview of these attributes to increase sensitivity to causal events and insights towards remediation. The first step is to determine which section of the chart is most active. The energy profile chart presents all 24 stress points in the voice dispersed among 12 musical notes. Using a radial graph to better sort events by order of intensity and harmonic properties allows improved focus on priority and solutions. Second is to determine if any neighboring radials show similar attributes. Activity encompassing several radials indicate a deeply entrenched disorder. After locating a region of unrest, glean detail about the anomalies using biobundles. Frequencies in distress are identified through templates sharing the same event, thus shedding light on how the body is impacted. There are three ranges represented in the charts: predictive, current, and long-term. As their names imply, activity measured within each range builds a linear comparative between the three stages of manifestation. With the inclusion of harmonic dynamics, range analysis adds insight into energetic relationships between events. Another characteristic of the chart is polarity. Events orbiting the perimeter of the chart are considered positive or in a high state of energetics, whereas events near the center of the circle are in a negative state due to forces pulling them out of homeostasis. The third attribute is harmonics. To help visualize harmonics, the portal provides an overlay. The thick red baseline serves as a compass needle to be aimed at anomalous activity, thus adding harmonically related information found on the remaining arms. To manipulate the overlay, mouse over a point, hold the Alt or Command key, then click. Left and right arrows will then shift the overlay to neighboring radials while the scroll bar is active. How to determine which points are most out of homeostasis? The greatest indicator of active stress are numerous points on the same baseline. Since the second and fourth overtones are octaves and therefore show up on the same radial, multiple points on a line suggest significant momentum potentially caused by the same event. Some things to keep in mind. A strong baseline might not contain points on its dominant, reciprocal, or subdominant arms, but its counterclockwise neighbor does. These secondary points may be endemic to the baseline, even when appearing on adjacent radials. During your analysis, there may be occasions when you wish to retain a record of your progress. Click on the photo icon to include the image in your printout that is saved and stored locally by clicking on the Print button. Consider biobundles as doorways to what may be the origin of distress, and therefore potential remedies in returning the body back to homeostasis and bioacoustic equilibrium.